This is Adrian Manz. If you'd like to learn more about the strategy we'll be discussing today, you'll find all the details in my new book, Trade Secrets, Powerful Strategies for Volatile Markets. It's available with free shipping at TraderInsight.com and Amazon.com. You can also order from your local retailer. The best trader education anywhere, only from TraderInsight.com. For TraderInsight.com, I'm Adrian Manz, and it's time for another 2-minute strategy session. What I want to look at right now is how I handle the stocks and sectors on the radar setups intraday. Of course, those are part of the intraday trading plan. They go out there with sector information and all sorts of other good stuff. You'll need to trade them accurately. But of course, they are also part of the nightly broadcast, and in that broadcast, I always say I wouldn't even consider one of these trades without seeing sector confirmation. Let's take a look at what I mean by sector confirmation. In this case, we are looking at Hanover Insurance Group Incorporated. This was on for May 25th, 2011. Its most significant correlation, S&P Insurance. It's in the reinsurance group. S&P Insurance, $IUX.X. For those of you who use Realtick, we see that the first bar of the day, the first 5-minute bar that had price action in it on the insurance index, big move to the downside. As for Hanover Insurance Group, it started moving lower about 20 minutes into the session. S&P Insurance was still down hard at the time. We had a 39.84 entry on the scalp with a 39.61 initial profit target on this fastball expansion of range, expansion of volume, short scalp setup. Now, one of the reasons this wound up being a stocks and sectors on the radar setup instead of an around-the-horn intraday trading plan candidate is that we've got the S1 pivot about 24 cents from our entry price, and there was also significant support and resistance going back on daily and weekly charts at that same level. Now, why didn't I use the pivot as the exit? The reasoning there primarily is that 5-minute support and resistance and daily support and resistance wound up being right at 39.61. I'd rather take that on the scalp than take a chance that it's going to move lower into the pivot area. Got an email from someone wanted to know if it's plowing through the profit target. Am I going to let it hit that pivot before I take my profit? The answer is pivot support definitely usually is going to turn things around, and it's a good place to just take profits proactively. Now, if anyone has any questions, send me an email, adrian@traderinsight.com. Hope you had a great trading day, and we'll have another 2-minute strategy session tomorrow.